The process begins with the secure, live arrival of the Saanen goats at the high-security docking bay.
Los. Each individual transport unit containing an Angora goat is gently lowered onto a sterile, automated track.
The goat containers enter the veterinary inspection tunnel for immediate health screening.
Automated optical readers perform the initial species verification and ID tagging on the goats.
The weight of the contained goat is precisely measured as a baseline for processing control. A robotic arm adjusts the container's environment based on the specific needs of the arriving goat. The goats proceed through a visual observation corridor for continuous human and camera monitoring.
The final inspection checkpoint confirms the goats are ready to move to the preparation zone.
The goats are safely transferred into a specialized, clean holding area, transitioning the workflow to hide processing.
The first step in material conversion is the precise and clean removal of the goat skin from the substrate. The goat skins enter a deep soaking and washing tank, beginning the cleansing and rehydration cycle.
A specialized, continuous liming process softens the goat skin and prepares it for hair removal.
The fleshing machine continuously scrapes and rolls the back of the Anglo-Nubian goat skin to remove all fat and tissue residue.
The dehairing unit uses soft, rubberized rollers and continuous water jets to cleanly strip the hair from the goat skin surface.
The limed goat skins are immediately routed into the deliming tank to neutralize the chemical action of the hide's pH. The goat skins are then automatically sorted into large, sealed drums for the specialized Moroccan tanning process. The goat skins are tumbled for hours in the vegetable tanning drum, slowly absorbing the tree bark extracts. The glove-grade goat skins are rapidly processed in the synthetic tanning drum, yielding a lighter, more pliable leather. After tanning, the goat skins are passed through a heavy wringing press to squeeze out the excess moisture and tanning liquor. The thicker, binding-grade goat skins are now fed into the splitting machine for accurate thickness control.
The shaving machine refines the surface of the thinner glove-grade goat skins for a luxurious, consistent feel.
The shaved goat skins proceed through the neutralization bath, preparing the fibers to accept conditioning and color agents. The hides enter the retanning drums, adding agents to enhance the plumpness and resilience of the finished goat leather. The critical fat liquoring stage continuously enriches the goat skins with nourishing oils and fats. The fat-liquored goat skins are continuously conveyed to the setting out and wringing tables for preparatory flattening. The goat skins are now stretched taut and fed into the vacuum drying units to rapidly and evenly remove moisture. The dry, crust goat skins are continuously conveyed into the staking machines to break up the leather fibers for softness. The softened goat skins are now fed into the large dyeing drums for full, uniform color penetration.
After dyeing, the goat skins move to a short conditioning tunnel, fixing the color with heat and steam. The newly colored...
A final, low-temperature drying line removes any residual moisture from the dyed goat skins.
The pigmented finish coat is continuously sprayed onto the goat skins in a clean, enclosed booth. Automated
intervals. The freshly finished goat skins pass under a powerful bank of infrared lamps for instantaneous curing.
The plating press applies controlled heat and pressure to the goat skins, enhancing the final gloss and smoothing the grain. The finished goat skins are continuously fed into a measuring machine that calculates the exact usable square footage. The final grading station uses a combination of camera analysis and human inspection for quality control on the goat skins.
Central. The premium binding grade goat leather is routed to the laser cutting table for book cover patterns. The large, stiff hides are...
The laser cutter continuously moves, etching the complex, symmetrical book cover and spine patterns with sub-millimeter precision.
The premium glove-grade goat leather is routed to the high-speed oscillating knife cutter. The thin, delicate hide.
The nesting software continuously optimizes the pattern layout on the goat skins to minimize material waste.
The glove panels of goat leather are continuously sorted and batched into assembly kits. The binding panels are conveyed to the automated embossing press for decorative grain or title stamping. The glove assembly line begins with robotic stitching of the small, delicate finger pieces of goat leather.
The bookbinding line applies continuous glue lines to the inner bookboard, preparing it for the goat leather cover.
A robotic arm smoothly lays the embossed goat leather cover panel onto the prepared bookboard. A robotic arm smoothly lays the embossed goat leather cover panel onto the prepared bookboard.
The goat leather glove shell is closed and stitched together at the palm and side seams by a continuous flow robot.
The internal lining is continuously fed and sewn into the nearly finished goat leather glove shell. A specialized sewing. The goat leather book cover edges are automatically turned and folded over the board, creating clean corners. Specialized
Foil stamping of the title onto the spine of the goat leather book is done by a heated, robotic press.
The finished goat leather gloves are placed on heated, hand-shaped molds for final ergonomic setting and pressing.
The finished, shaped goat leather gloves are automatically turned right side out by a gentle pneumatic system.
Of means. The book block is married to the goat leather cover by an automated casing-in machine. The pages are secure.
Final detail work, such as adding ribbons or edge polishing, is performed by specialized finishing units.
A final, non-greasy conditioning serum is continuously applied to the surface of the goat leather products.
Luxury presentation boxes are continuously assembled by high-speed folding and gluing robots. Flat carton rapid
Packaging robots gently wrap each goat leather product in custom-branded, acid-free tissue paper.
distance. The wrapped goat leather product is precisely lowered into its presentation box by a vacuum gripper. The robot ensures the
box is automatically closed and sealed with a tamper-proof, branded security strip.
A high-speed labeling unit prints and affixes a unique serial barcode to the sealed goat leather carton.
Relations. The sealed cartons of Moroccan goat leather are sorted onto pallets based on their global distribution route.
The stacked pallet of goat leather goods enters the shrink wrapping chamber for protection.
The final weight of the sealed pallet is taken and reconciled with the digital manifest. The system cross-references.
Distribution trucks arrive and are backed up to the automated, climate-controlled loading docks.
Automated forklifts lift and position the pallets inside the truck trailer with smooth precision. Guided by internal sensors,
the truck's cargo is sealed with a unique digital lock, and internal environmental monitors are activated.
The truck carrying the Moroccan goat leather goods pulls away from the factory and begins its global transit.
The product flow is continuously monitored by the logistics control room. At the destination, the secure goat leather shipment is offloaded at the retailer or publishing house. Workers use hand scanners. At the destination, the secure goat leather shipment is offloaded at the retailer or publishing house. Workers use hand scanners.
The retail staff carefully unbox the premium goat leather goods for the final display preparation.
The final aesthetic staging ensures the goat leather is displayed under optimal lighting.
The goat leather bookbinding stands as a monument to precision manufacturing and traditional craft. The gloves are presented on minimalist displays, showcasing the ergonomic fit and supple texture.
Every step, from the arrival of the goats to the final shelf, is a testament to quality control.
The precision tooling and stamping ensures the brand identity is clear and permanent on the goat leather.
The factory's commitment to high ethical and environmental standards is inherent in every goat leather piece. The resilience of the Moroccan goat leather is the foundation of its global luxury reputation.
The softness and pliability of the glove goat leather ensures an unmatched wearing experience.
The automated presses return to work, performing gold tooling for limited edition goat leather bindings.
Unit. The micro-perforation unit creates fine, laser-etched ventilation patterns on the glove goat leather. A high-precision laser array. The goat leather abrasion testing machine simulates years of wear and tear on the bookbinding hinge.
Color fastness is continuously monitored by placing goat leather samples under high-intensity simulated daylight.
The pattern cutting software is updated with new seasonal designs for the glove goat leather line.
Bespoke monogramming is performed by a dedicated micropress robot on the custom goat leather wallets. Artisans manually inspect and finish the unique hand-stitched detailing on exclusive goat leather products. The factory utilizes a centralized system to track the origin of every goat skin to ensure full transparency. Offcuts and remnants from the cutting process are routed to a separate line for small accessory creation. Even the smallest pieces and sides. The edge burnishing machines apply continuous friction to the cut borders of the goat leather. The material